Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing kernel errors in Jupyter Notebook, a comprehensive guide. Jupyter Notebook is a powerful tool for interactive data science, coding, and documentation. However, it's not immune to errors, and one of the most frustrating issues you might encounter is a kernel error. A kernel is the computational engine that executes your code in a Jupyter Notebook. When the kernel fails, you can't run your code, and the notebook becomes unresponsive. This comprehensive guide will walk you through common causes of kernel errors and provide detailed solutions with code examples. Understanding kernel errors. Before diving into solutions, let's understand what a kernel error signifies. It typically indicates that something went wrong during the execution of your code within the kernel's environment. This could be anything from a simple syntax error to a more complex issue like a missing dependency.